Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you one of my favorite tool is Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps is like the total management tool to manage your software project from start to the end. And with same with Jira, Azure DevOps is one of the market leader into the software management, but this one is my favorite. Uh, the reason it's favorite tool for me because it got everything I need into one central tool. Let's say it got the management tool from let's go through with that. Okay, start with first. You can see it got the overview tab. It got the basic information about the project you have here and both the repo, and then you got dashboard where you can configure it to display what's the most important statistics for you, like the bug and the work in progress, and the tasks assigned to you as well. So you can set up the simple dashboard for your team. And then you got wiki. Wiki is the simple content system where you can input your project document here in a tree structure. It's really easy to do it. Like you can type in anything here and save it, close it, and then come to board. Board is a center of the software management where you can manage your tasks, your epic, your feature, and it support different software management methods like Scrum or Azure or a standard process. And it got repo where you can manage the source code in the same place, and pipeline. Pipeline is where you can build your CI/CD process. It automatic CI/CD stand for continuous integration and continuous deployment. So you can set up your CI/CD here with pipeline, where you can set up the thing where project automatic build and release, where the automatic deployment on the different server. So you can see here I deploy to different server like staging and production, and test plan where you manage your tests here. I haven't dig deep into it yet, but it's quite useful for you to create a test case and run your test plan here. Artifact, in the previous video I showed you, we can publish our own NuGet package and share between the internal organization using artifact. So if you don't want to publish to the public, you can publish and use it in internal in your organization or your company. So that overview of the Azure DevOps. So you can see you can manage your whole software process in one place without using the external tool. Compared to Jira, you have to use Jira for project management, and you use the Confluence for the content management, and then you use Sources, or you use what they call, I don't remember what's the name, Bitbucket for your short code management, and then you may have to use a different tool for CI/CD. So that's why the Azure DevOps is my favorite tool. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you detail of Fitboard. Thank you. Bye.